Your eyelashes should not feel like a disappearing act as you get older. Yet here we are staring at thinning hairs that seem to break if you even look at them wrong. We have all seen those targeted ads popping up in our feeds for the latest miracle cure for mature lashes. This specific brand, Everlove, is making some pretty bold promises to women who feel like their beauty routine is failing them. They talk about giving you 5 times the volume and length without any of the mess. We are talking about the end of clumping and the death of those dark circles under your eyes that happen when your makeup slides off. It is a tempting pitch for anyone dealing with brittle or sparse lashes. The brand focuses heavily on being easy to apply and lightweight. They want you to think this is a revolution in a tube. When you look at their website, it looks polished and professional. You see detailed descriptions and a lot of promotional images that make the product look high-end. They offer a money-back guarantee, which usually helps build trust with a skeptical audience. They also claim to be cruelty-free. This is a major selling point for modern consumers. People care about where their products come from these days. However, we have to pull back the curtain on these marketing strategies. Using phrases like 5 times the volume is a very common tactic. It is a flashy number designed to grab your attention while you are scrolling. In reality, your mileage is going to vary based on so many different factors. Your natural lash density, and even the way you hold the brush will change the outcome. This mascara does not appear to be an outright scam designed to steal your credit card information. It looks like a real cosmetic product being sold through a standard e-commerce platform. That being said, you should never go into a purchase expecting a total transformation of your face. It is a tool to enhance what you have, not a way to turn back the clock 30 years. You need to look for reviews that are not hosted on their own website to get the real story. See what people are saying on independent forums or social media. Check how difficult it actually is to get your money back if you hate it. Sometimes those guarantees are buried under layers of fine print and shipping costs. It is more likely a legitimate beauty item that just has a very loud marketing department. Be a cautious shopper and keep your expectations grounded in reality. This is not a magic wand, it is just makeup. If you go in with that mindset, you are much less likely to feel disappointed. The beauty industry relies on our desire to fix things quickly, but the best approach is always a bit of healthy skepticism and a lot of research before you hit that checkout button. Shopping for beauty products online can feel like walking through a minefield of false promises. You want to believe that one special formula will finally be the one that works for you. The truth is often a bit more mundane. This product might be great for some and a total flop for others. That is the nature of the industry. Don't let the shiny ads rush your decision. Take a breath and look at the facts before you commit your hard-earned money to another tube of black goop that might just end up at the bottom of your makeup drawer.